Hello. In this 1.20.1 KubeJS video, we're going to be quickly looking over the damage ingredient chain function with server script recipes. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure that you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They offer fantastic server hosting for Minecraft and many other games with fantastic customer support and server hosting options. So if you find this interesting, I highly recommend you check out my affiliate link in the description that will bring you to this website that has plenty of great information that can help inform a possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get into the code. So in this example, we're going to be again doing server events dot recipes and then doing the event callback. I made other videos on the server events dot recipe, so feel free to check that out. But here we're just going to do one example here. We're going to make a shapeless recipe. So with event.shapeless. And the idea here is we're going to do kind of a rudimentary ore processing thing with a pickaxe, a block of ore, and then that's going to get you 3 raw ores. So let's do item.of Minecraft raw iron, and then we're going to make it 3. And then our 2 input items are going to be Minecraft iron ore. And then we're going to just use any pickaxe. So we're going to use a tag, so that's the pound key, Minecraft pickaxes. So this includes wooden pickaxe, stone pickaxe, iron pickaxe, diamond, netherite, and any modded pickaxe. But obviously we don't want to just consume whatever the pickaxe is. So we're going to be using the damage ingredient chain function. So damage ingredient, and then inside here we're just going to pass in the same tag. So again, by default, all ingredients in the crafting recipe are consumed. So without this, that would mean that both the iron ore and the pickaxe is consumed. But the result of this is an application of the recipe removes 1 durability from the pickaxe. So obviously this could be used for many other scenarios like stripping wood or anything like that. So there's plenty of ways to use this. If you found this video informative, this quick example, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.